Good morning, everyone. This is Doreen with DL Lane Photography. Today we're back at Fort DeSoto Park to see if we can find any more migratory birds. Let's see what the park has in store for us today and just shoot it. Seeing the flash of orange and black was a sure sign that we found a Baltimore oriole. They winter in Central and South America and pass through Florida on their way to the northeast U.S. to breed in the summer. This pretty little bird is the female orchard oriole. They are nocturnal migrants and prefer to live near lakes and streams. They also winter in Central and South America and summer in the eastern U.S. Next, we have the female rose-breasted grosbeak. The name of the bird is based on the male grosbeak's coloring. This naming practice is common in the world of birds. They winter as far south as Venezuela and then summer in the northern U.S. and Canada. And here, of course, is the male rose-breasted grosbeak. They are getting their fill of figs before they continue their migration to the north. This cute little guy hanging out by the water fountain is a Swainson's thrush. Swainson's thrush tend to keep away from areas with people and other activity. They winter as far south as Argentina and summer in the northern U.S. and Canada. Ooh, look, a female indigo bunting. She's getting her fill of the scrumptious little figs. I wonder if her husband is around. There he is, the beautiful male indigo bunting. I love that shade of blue. The indigo bunting summer in southern Canada and as far south as northern Florida, and then winter from southern Florida to northern South America. Fun fact, they often migrate at night using the stars to navigate. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.